lately I've been posting a lot of demolishable or ready to redevelop properties on my status on WhatsApp, and a number of my followers and clients, they're already taking notes and taking position around what they can get around Itire, Adelabu, Boye Thomas, Lawansin, Akoka, and even around Ketu axis here, around Ikosi, around Alakbere, around Ogudu. There are already also some option around property that you can redevelop or you can demolish. I'll do a proper video today to talk about the buy and demolish Lagos markets. The market is growing right now, and that's one market that you also can't overlook or don't want to miss. All right. So if this is the first time that you are seeing my coming across my face, coming across my channel, my name is Rabiu Mustafa. I'm your host here at Meet the Property Guys channel, and this is where we discuss everything real estate, about the Lagos market, about the Nigeria market, the opportunities here, the challenges here, the risk here. We are trying to ensure investors are investing from a place of knowledge, and you have absolute idea, absolute knowledge about the market that you are investing into, the opportunities there and the risk there. So, after watching this particular video about the buy and demolish markets, I also like to invite you to also watch some of our other playlists. We have a playlist on real estate investor series, real estate masterclass, pros and cons, land banking, land documents, real estate companies. So, and I have hundreds of videos I've done under each of these playlists. So just pick any of the playlists that picks your interest, and watch the video that I've done there. I can tell you it's going to save you your millions and billions and a lot of regrets. All right. And if it's been months or years you have been following my channel, watching my contents, and you have been enjoying them, keyword, you have been enjoying them, kindly do subscribe. Kindly do subscribe. I know you are likely watching us from your tab, from your TV, smart TV, or whatever TV. So kindly just go on your mobile phone, open your YouTube app, type Meet the Property Guy, and click on the subscribe button as shown on the screen. And at the same time, also click on the notification button so that you don't miss any of these videos. All right. So let's discuss the buy and demolish markets. How can you enter? What are the opportunities there? Which locations can you invest in? What's the return like? And also, what's the exit like when you get this kind of properties? So it's not just Lagos that we're having redevelopment or urbanization. So redevelopment just simply means that we have locations that have hit their peak. Then we now have people bringing down the buildings in this location, and building a different kind of houses or a different kind of buildings in this location with development. So we see this in Ikeja. Drive around Allen Avenue to Adeni Jones to Ikeja GRA. We see a lot of buildings being knocked down. We also see this in Lekki Phase 1 too. Either it's around Dohati or Fola Osibo, or Admiralty. Drive around, we see a lot of buildings being knocked down too. We see this also happening around Surulere. That you go to around Lawansin, Itire, Masha, Kilo, Axis. We see this around Yaba too. Onike, Sabo, Alagomeji, Akoka Axis also. We see a lot of buildings being knocked down. And the same thing, you see this also in Shomolu. I can even tell you confidently, there's arguably no other local government area in Lagos that has multiple projects ongoing than Shomolu. And it's just there. A lot of people do not know until you just drive around Shomolu, from Abiodun to Bajulaye to Folago, everywhere, every street there is a project. All right. So we're having this redevelopment, we're having reurbanization, we're having buildings coming down and new buildings or newer buildings, or more modern buildings replacing them. So what are the opportunities around this buy and demolish? All right. As at 2022, in Surulere, or somewhere like not the proper Surulere, but around Surulere, with 14-15 million, you get a building that you can demolish. 2022, 2021, and a lot of people instead put all those 15 million, 18 million, they went to Ibeju-Lekki and they went to go and buy. And today, those properties in Ibeju-Lekki you cannot sell. You cannot build there to rent. that are still there, that are still land banking. So what I'm just trying to tell you is that you need to understand that the market goes beyond what you see online, the adverts that you see online. There are a lot of opportunities in real estate that don't get into social media. Actually, a lot of the opportunities in real estate that get to social media, they are above entry. They are no longer at entry again. So they have become a crowded opportunity. So a number of people that bought Itire, bought Lawansing, something they can demolish around the Ijesha Road or Ijesha or around Ishaga, 2020, 2021. Right now they are signing JV on those land, or some of them are even building on those land right now, and they can start renting, get like almost 26-30 million as rental remittance from those properties. So you need to widen the kind of opportunities and the kind of information that you can get from the real estate market, really, because there are a lot really happening. So the first thing you can, the first opportunity around this buy and demolish is buy, demolish, flip. So we have a lot of people that are looking for land in certain areas, but these locations, there are no land again. It's only buildings or old buildings, but they don't want old building. So you can solve the problem for those people. So you buy the dilapidated old building, get your demolition permits, bring it down, pack away the rubbles, put a fence on it, and then flip it. So we have people that this is the only thing they do. That's the only business they do. So they buy, they demolish, they flip. Some of them will not even demolish. They just buy, chase out everybody that is there, and then they put a barricade around the property, wait for a number of months, they flip, they sell, they move on. Because when these buildings, when they are just still standing, there are a number of challenges there, or there's still a number of work there. A number of those buildings are still occupied. So someone that needs land does not want an occupied building. He wants land, so they will not want to buy. So you can face that headache of removing, chasing out all the occupants there. So after you chase them out, you get the demolition permits, you break it down. Some of those properties that are really old and dilapidated, so you have to even do the fencing again. So you do the fencing again. You can even put a gate there, and then you add it to the amount that you want to flip it. So buy, demolish, flip. Buy, demolish, flip. Pretty. All right. So then we also have buy, demolish, JV. So very similar to this one, just that this one you are not flipping. After you have removed all the rubbles, you have demolished the property, you find a developer that will come and build on it, and then you share with them. So you are not using your money to develop it, and you don't want to sell. You don't want to sell the land. So the advantage of JV is that you still have units in that location. So by the time you buy this one, demolish JV, buy this one, demolish JV. By the time you do like 6 places, you have like around 18 units that you not even build yourself, apartments that are just there. So buy, demolish, JV, because these locations also are built up. You get a building in Surulere, maybe around Adeni Ogunsoya or around Bode Thomas. It's built up already. Any developer will want to take that from you, or it's like if it's one or Ikate, buy something and you bring it down. Every developer will want to take it from you as JV, or it's even Akoka, or even it's Shomolu, some right part of Shomolu. Developer will want to take it from you as JV, right? So buy, demolish, JV. That's also another option that is also available, that you can also do for yourself. And again, a number of you are looking at some of these apartments that are selling in maybe Surulere, and you're like, why should I spend 90 million to go and buy one bed? I mean, so I can do this thing now. So you can buy, demolish, then build. So when you build, you can now decide to build to sell or build for cash flow. So instead of you to go and buy 3 units or 5 units of apartments at maybe 750 million or 600 million, just get something in a built up location, central location already, break down the old building, do the approval, and then do your thing. And because you are building, you have the full control on the design. So you can do a mixed development where there can be shops downstairs, residential upstairs. You have a lot of options to play around with, you know. So buy, demolish, and then build. There are a lot of locations for you. You could see off CMD towards Shangisha. Ogba too is really coming up now, either around Wemco for Ogba, or around Abule Egba side, or around Agege side. There are a lot of properties that you can also buy and redevelop, buy and demolish around those axes, you know, for Ogba. Then we have Ibeju, another very interesting location. We have Pedro axis, particularly the side that is close to Charlie Boy. Another very, very nice location also, either for JV, for flip, or for build, you know. So there are actually a lot of options around this location. There are some properties on the island, maybe around the Ibeju-Lekki, selling for like 100 million per plot, 80 million per plot, 90 million per plot. If you put those 90 million or 100 million around something to buy and demolish, way better. Why? Because you can demolish it right now and in a few months flip it. You can demolish it right now and in a few months sign a JV. You can demolish it right now, build on it, and earn cash flow on it right now. You can't do reasonable cash flow in Ibeju-Lekki right now. Someone reached out to me sometime. They were doing some apartments inside Amen Phase 2, and they put like maybe 2 beds at 6 million. I was just laughing. Amen Phase 2 is 2 beds, 6 million rent. You know, so a lot of people they don't even have full understanding of the location that they are doing some certain developments. You know, whatever that is going to cost you to build apartment inside Amen Phase 2 is what it will cost you to build an apartment in Surulere 2. But we rent out those properties in Surulere faster than Amen Phase 2. Because Surulere is Surulere, and will always be Surulere, regardless of whatever is happening there. People rent it faster because the population is there. What's the entire population of people in Ibeju-Lekki? You know, so buy, demolish, flip, buy, demolish, JV, buy, demolish, build, either build to sell or build for cash flow. You know, this cash flow, I came across a particular building, I think last year or last 2 years in Bagada, Ifako side. The person built 18 units of one bed, and he was renting out 1 unit at 2.5 million. Yeah, as at that time 2.5 million, 18 units. So 10 units is 25 million. 4 units is 10 million. That's 35 million. Another 4 units is 10 million. So that's like 45 million. You know, 45 million. And he built that property himself. So he had the land, built 18 units there, and that building is giving him 45 million naira yearly remittance. So buy, demolish, build, either build to sell or build for cash flow. You can always target all these ready to redevelop areas. You could see Alakbere, Ogba, even Agege, very, very interesting. Agege Abulegba, very, very interesting. Egbeda also. Egbeda, then you can also come to the central mainland, around Surulere, around the Lukbeju, around Pedro, around Shomolu, around Bariga, around Akoka, around Onike, around Alagomeji, even around the Ebute Meta too. I'm not really a fan of Ebute Meta, but I have a very good colleague. He's fantastic with Ebute Meta, and he's always wow me or amaze me every time how the market there is moving very fast. All right, so these are the options that you can play around with around these markets. Then you can get quite more. You can squeeze in far more return by doing something around locations that is ready, that is plug and play for whatever that you want to do. All right. So if you would like to see listings around ready to redevelop properties, ready to demolish properties, majorly around the Lagos mainland, you can first check out my Instagram at Installment Homes NG. Then you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp +234 8028617830. So for a lot of people that look that are always wondering, asking, Rabbi, what do you do? I'm an agent too. I'm a property agent. So you can say I'm a realtor, anyone. So I'm a property agent. I book out deals. I have a very robust portfolio, fantastic listings in great locations. And if you're also looking at doing hands-off investments, or that you just invest and hands-off. So we have options like that for agro real estate. We have options like that for short let. We have options like that for rentals. So you just be getting your cash flow. Either you are in Australia, you are in UK, you are in Germany, you are in France, you are in US, you are in Canada. Anywhere that you are, just have that asset there, have your documents, and then be collecting your remittance. Hands off, fully hands off. All right. So once again, also I'm pitching my pop tech to. We need angel investors. Easy. I don't know that this is how it is to be the startup. So we're already like around 18 months plus in it. So it's not even something that you are feeling like hope they'll not pack up in 1 month. No, we're already 18 months in it, and I'm fully involved in it too. My YouTube is 6 years, so I'm not going to jeopardize a platform and a brand that I built for over 6 years just because of what I'm doing for my startup. So you can be rest assured I'm fully 100% involved in it. So we are pitching to angel investors, venture capitalists, and people that are looking at the real estate market and they are shaking their head that this market, there's so many opportunities there, but so many problems. We want to solve that problem. We are inviting you for you to also make money in solving those problems. We have exit strategies for you, and then we have fantastic revenue models also where you can even earn dividends from the capital that you have invested or from the equity that you own in the startup too. So kindly reach out to me on WhatsApp +234 8028 617830 for a pitch about what we are building. All right. So I still remain your number one party of the planet, your property advisor consultant. My name is Rabi Mustafa. Thanks for watching our videos and see you next time.